My name is Sinta Lestari. In this video, I will explain you about the four part categories of curriculum design. They are traditional model, student-centered model, the critical model, and the structural model. I will explain one by one. For the first is traditional curriculum model. The approach to educational planning and implementation that focuses on the delivery of subject matter in a structured and systematic manner, with an emphasis on mastery of content knowledge and basic skill. The characteristic of the traditional curriculum model focus on the teacher and what they teach, goals not change, learners are passive, and also school is a preparation for life. For the benefit, ensure that all students receive the same basic knowledge, making evaluation and comparison easier, and suitable for teaching basic skills such as reading, writing, and also arithmetic. For the limitation, prioritize written test result which might not reflect the full range of student abilities or potential. For the example of traditional curriculum model, teacher use textbook as the only source of subject matter. Students are expected to read, understand, and solve the problem in the book. Second is the student-centered model, means inverting the traditional teacher-centered understanding of the learning process and putting students at the center of the learning process. The characteristic of the student-centered model, students have to learn and knowledge and skill. Students learn anytime and anywhere. And also interaction must be easy to understand and comprehensive. For the benefit, increase student retention and improve student self-esteem. For the limitation, this can be challenging to implement in the large classroom or standardized system, might lack structure if not well planned, leading to potential gaps in essential knowledge. For the example, students are asked to work in a group to design relevant research projects, such as educational, where students identify the educational issue, such as curriculum use and learning strategies. The student conduct research, collect the data, and present their findings. The third is the critical model. It is an approach to education that focuses on empowering students to identify, analyze, and the critique existing power structure, ideologies, and social inequality in society. For the characteristic, the curriculum emphasizes the importance of understanding social issues, and learning in this model involves a lot of open discussion, debate, and self-reflection. For the benefit of this model, increase social awareness and critical thinking skill in students, encourage students to become active agent of change in society, and also encourage a deeper understanding of complex global issues. For the limitation, this approach can challenge traditional value in education and can be controversial among students or parents because not suitable with their value and belief. For the example, in Indonesia or English language, students can be asked to analyze the use of language that may reflect discrimination or bias. For the fourth, the structural model is an approach to curriculum design that focuses on organizing and teaching knowledge based on the basic structure of a discipline. For the characteristic, the subject matter is organized sequentially from basic concept to more complex one. And also, this model focuses on developing a deep understanding of a key concept. For the benefit, help students see the connection between different concepts and also the subject. And a clear and sequential structure make it easier to plan and evaluate learning. For the limitation, not be flexible enough to accommodate students' different learning style or interests. And for some students, this approach can feel too abstract or distant from their everyday reality, making the material less interesting or relevant. For the example, in language learning, students learn the basic structure of language, such as grammar, syntax, and morphology before moving on to more complex aspects such as literacy and literary analysis. That's all. I hope the material can be useful. Thank you. Bye.